Since long time ago, human beings had already known how to use light for catching fish. Over the time, the catching technique by using artificial lighting had become more and more complete. Up to 36% of annual fishing yield comes from this particular method. According to researchers, the temperament of fish is strongly affected by light. For fishes, lighting has the implication of signals for food, school information, directions for movement, etc. Presently, scientists have found out that variety of fish genus share the same biological characteristics of being drawn into lighted area. For example, there are some genus of fish attracted to the light on the surface, but some genus attracted to the light under the water surface, and others like moving light source. Each type of fish responds differently to lighting colors, intensity, time, speed of moving light sources, etc. On the other hand, the lighting effect is divergent, depending on the weather conditions, temperatures, waves, clear or turbid water. According to the available statistics, Vietnam has more than 110,000 fishing means, including more than 36,500 ships with an engine power of over 90 watts. Most of them use local tools such as seining net, fishing pole, and fishing net. The most popular type of light source recently is metal halide light, with an engine power of over 1,000 watts. The disadvantages of this light source are low efficiency, fragility, and low durability. Due to the fact that this light source is not oriented, thus the part of lighting thrown for nothing on the sky is too much, while that of lighting shining on the water is only 25%. The use of large number of luminaires is leading to the fact that the fishermen work under the conditions of high light intensity, hot and high UV radiant, affecting badly their health. Many cases had shown that the fishermen suffered from dry skin, burnt skin, hair losses, blurred eye vision, and even cancers or depression. Upon practical requirement, in order to overcome the disadvantages and improve the efficiency in fishery by lighting, Dinh Light Source and Vacuum FLASK Joint Stock Company, whose core is Dinh Lighting R&D Center, has cooperated with institutions and universities to research and develop LED lighting solutions for this industry. The advantages of LED are high luminous efficiency and energy savings. The LED light is highly oriented, so the part of lighting focused on the surface. Water surface is up to 75%. The light intensity of the LED luminaires is so strong that its lighting shines deeper into the water, thus attract fishes more effectively. In the case of using underwater luminaires, the useful lighting reaches 100%, and the depth of lighting can adjust as desired. Highly oriented light plus low heat LED make fishermen's working conditions more favorable and reduce the risk of skin, eye, and hair diseases, especially as LEDs are semiconductor light sources, the light spectrum of which can be easily adjusted, so it is possible to create specialized light source having suitable light spectrum and colors for each genus of fish and fishing area. When Ding's LED lighting system with a power of 200 watts is used to replace metal halide light with the power of 1,000 watts, the oil savings can be up to 45%. In the case of building new boats, it is possible to use the smaller electric generator, and therefore reduce 3 to 4 times the investment cost of electric generators, and the oil will be saved up to 75%, which will bring bigger economic efficiency to the fishermen. Rang Dong has also researched on LED luminaires made by the surface anti-corrosive technology when being used in the sea salt condition, and the continuous using time is more than 10 years, equivalent to 25,000 hours. Rang Dong LED luminaires are designed according to the IEC international standard. Thus, they can withstand lighting impulses up to 10 kV and integrated with the electromagnetic compatibility (EMC) without affecting transmitting devices. The electronic devices are all designed, geocalized, and adapted to the inclement weather condition of Vietnam. Rang Dong products have been tested on fishing boats or fishermen. In the difficult and outdated exploitation conditions, these achievements of scientific researchers have meaningful and practical benefits for fishermen by increasing their prosperity and happiness. Rang Dong accompanies with Vietnamese fishermen for our beloved Hoàng Sa, Paracel, and Trường Sa, Spratly Islands.